I counted something last month. To finish one client project, I opened 6 different AI tools. One for images, another for text, another for video, then one for editing. By the end of the project, I spent more time switching tabs than actually creating. That's exactly why Flora AI caught my attention. Its biggest promise isn't better AI. It's putting different AI models into one workspace. Honestly, I wasn't sure it would make much difference. Then I tried it. I started with a simple marketing campaign. Instead of jumping between multiple websites, I stayed inside the same workflow. Generate an image, adjust a prompt, create variations, plan the next asset. Everything happened in one place. That felt surprisingly smooth. Then I pushed it a little harder. A YouTube thumbnail, a product mockup, social media graphics, brand concepts. The interesting part wasn't the quality of one single AI model. It was how quickly I could move from one idea to the next without constantly copying prompts between different platforms. Now, here's what nobody tells you. Flora AI doesn't magically replace every design tool. If you're a professional Photoshop designer or a full-time 3D artist, you'll still need specialized software. But if you're a creator, freelancer, agency owner, startup founder, or business trying to produce content faster, that's a different conversation. Because speed becomes more important than having 50 advanced editing features. I also realized something else. The biggest time loss in creative work isn't generating content. It's breaking your flow. Every time you switch apps, search for files, or rewrite prompts, you lose momentum. Flora AI reduces that friction. And honestly, that's its biggest strength. So, can Flora AI replace multiple AI design tools? For some people, yes. For others, it can replace enough of them to simplify your workflow dramatically. That's how I look at it. My final opinion? Don't expect Flora AI to be the best image generator or the best video generator. Think of it as a creative workspace where multiple AI tools work together. And in my experience, that's far more useful than chasing one perfect AI model. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.